How to delete favorites on TikTok. To get started, I'll go ahead and open up the TikTok application. As you can see, we are now in the TikTok homepage. Here you can explore and view TikTok Reels. Now go to the bottom panel again and tap on Profile. Here you can edit and view your profile information. Go to your feed and tap on the liked videos section as shown. Here, you can view all your liked videos on TikTok. From here, open any video. If you want to delete this video from your favorites, then tap on the heart icon again to unlike it. This video has now been removed from your favorites. You will no longer find this video in the liked videos section. You can repeat this to delete other favorites as well. Following these steps, you can easily delete favorites on TikTok.